Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button please, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today we have another Stylevana collab with the K Beauty and J Beauty skincare products. I'm gonna go over what they sent, and then I'm also gonna go over my thoughts on last month's products because I was pleasantly surprised and I just have to share it with y'all. So I was sent these products for free, but you know I always give my honest opinion about everything. I do have a coupon code. I will put it down here or down here somewhere for you. Let's go ahead and jump into what we got, and then I'll go over my thoughts on last month's products. Okay, so the first thing we have is Farmstay Green Tea Seed Whitening Cream. Now, what I'll say is I'm not really into whitening creams. I do use Filipino soap, which is papaya soap basically, and it's known to be a whitening cream. I know a lot of Asian cultures, Chinese, Japanese, even definitely Filipino people do tend to want to be lighter. I like my complexion. I'm not the darkest Filipino or Hawaiian, but I'm definitely not the lightest either. This may be one of those things that says whitening and it doesn't necessarily whiten, like the Filipino soap doesn't really whiten or lighten the skin to me, but it does close my pores up a lot, like noticeably if I'm not using it. So we'll give this a try and see if this is that type of concept. It says this highly concentrated water cream softly applied to the skin while it rejuvenates and moisturizes the skin with green tea seed extract. Oh, and niacinamide without stickiness. I actually have been using a lot of niacinamide lately. Well, not a lot, but I've incorporated that into my skincare routine over the past few months and I like it. And then the green tea, I know last month they sent me 2 skincare kits. One did have, I think, like green tea or tea extracts, which is supposed to be really good for calming the skin. So I am excited to try this one. Generally speaking, I don't notice my skin getting lighter from using lightening products. And then the directions say to take a proper amount of the product and apply it to the face after you put your toner on. This is actually really nice packaging. I don't know why I'm kind of surprised. I feel like, honestly, you know I'm always honest, I feel like the box just kind of looks basic, but this packaging is actually pretty nice. You got that white topper. Y'all don't mind my nails. I need to get them done, but my lady does not work on Monday or Tuesdays. Oh, and it doesn't have a smell at all, which I love because I really don't care for scented things. Let's see the texture. It's just a white cream, but it feels like very wet cream. It's not a thick cream. Doesn't feel heavy either. Okay, I'm not mad at this. I am not mad at this. I'm gonna try this out. I have really gotten into skincare lately, so I'm glad to be trying different things, y'all. The next thing we have here is Innisfree, I-N-N-I-S free. F-R-E-E, a green tea lip balm. Oh, a lip balm. That's good because y'all, the girls have been coming in here taking the lip balms and my lotions. I had to hide my lotions too. I have lipstick on. The lipstick of the day, I'll go over that really quickly, is this Pat McGrath, and this is matte lipstick in Divine Romance, y'all. She is gorgeous. I'll link the makeup below. I went very light today. Let's see. I want to try. Here, Coco, you try this. Tell Mom if it's any good. Like it? Yeah. Yeah? Does it feel soft? Yeah. Yeah? Let's try here. Oh, yeah. I feel like this is a hydrating. Not a glossy, just like a hydrating. Okay, not mad at this. Not mad at that, y'all. Then we have You Are My Shining. Oh, it's a sunscreen. 35 SPF. SPF. Now, got a facial recently and I'm kind of trying to figure out, like, why use sunscreen and moisturizer? Why not just use a combo? This just says it's a sunscreen, so wouldn't it be a moisturizer too? Let's see how it feels. Because when I went and got my facial done, they gave me a thing that was just sunscreen and it feels completely different than a moisturizer, let me tell you. This feels like a moisturizing sunscreen. Somewhat of a white cast though. Let's blend it in and see.
I want to blend it.
You want some?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Coco's got some. She's blending it. Has a scent. Maybe like a floral smell. Do you smell it?
Yeah.
Can you smell it? You have some on her. She has some on her own hand. No, the scent kind of goes away pretty quickly. You can kind of see a cast. So I think this would probably be better for people that are lighter than me, or if you, you know, if you're gonna wear makeup. I'm not mad at this. I feel like you would definitely still need a moisturizer with this because once it dries, it doesn't feel very moisturizing. So you definitely, I think this is one of those things that it's just an SPF, y'all, but I cannot actually read the writing on there. Maybe I can on the box. Y'all, I can't read the writing on the box. It's way too small for me to read. So sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that. Next thing we got is from Beauty of Joseon or Joseon, not sure, but I know this because I got one of their kits last month from them. So this is a completely separate product. Uh oh, it's taped up, y'all. Don't have anything.
Okay, you're not having anything.
I don't have anything to open it, Coco. Okay, this is a calming serum, green tea plus Panthenol, which they gave me something like that last time. I wonder if this is, oh, awesome. So in the set I got last month, I got this in a much smaller version, and then in addition to this there was a propolis niacinamide. That was the same as this, but just smaller, and it was more yellow, about this size. So, oh, I'm glad that I got the bigger one because I've been trying it and mama likey, okay? So I've started using the Gotcha. That stone, the rose quartz stone. And although I see a massive difference, like massive difference after one use. Ew, don't do that, yucky. I do feel like I get some redness after using it. So the green tea and the propolis, this whole set is actually good for calming the skin. So yay, yay to that. Oh, we got a Bye Bye Blackhead, just 5 minutes. This is low pH pore care bubble cleanser. Oh, is this one of those things that it's gonna like bubble up, like that, you know, you see it on TikTok or wherever. So it says step 1, dissolve blackheads with 16 various tea ingredients and BHA. Step 2, blackhead removal with BHA bubble, and then you rinse it off. Step 3 is tightening the skin. So I don't know. This is, can we see? Block my own face out here. Oh, now, Coco, you block your face. Cover your face up, Coco. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. Sorry, trying to block everyone's face out is a little difficult. Let's open this up. I actually do have blackheads and whiteheads on my nose and right in here. So maybe this will be good for that. It's got a little pump to it. Oh, nice. It has a pump stopper, which I need because I can't even have soap in my bathroom, bathroom, because the kids will just waste it all. Okay, it's a bubble cleanser. I'm gonna try this. Y'all go to my Instagram, follow our Instagram because I pretty much update y'all on our lives there. It's twins_2 or twins_times_2. But I'm gonna try this and I will let y'all know on the stories. Or if I do a collab with them, if I do a collab with Stylevana next month, then I will update y'all then also. The next thing we have is a green tea toner. This is the packaging here. This says green tea from Pear Jeju. It's Jeju. Jeju Island. There's an island called that? I don't know. Helps control excessive sebum. Sebum. What is a sebum? S-E-B-U-M? Sebum? Yeah, no, I butcher every word. Okay, softens skin. Oh, wow. Honestly, nice packaging. I wonder if it's really brown or if the bottle is just brown. I think the bottle is just brown. The bottle is just brown, y'all. Has a thing up here. Y'all know what I like to do with these is put them into my Mr. Bottles. Mr. Bottles. I will link it, but it mists. And they had actually last month when I got a toner, and I actually put the toner in one of these too. I love. It's like a hydronic toner. The last thing we have is a Teatree ACPAIR mask. It's a sheet mask, and it actually looks like it has a lot of stuff in here. So I'm not going to lie to y'all. What I have done in in the past, there are certain masks that I really love but were hard to come by, is I would keep this type of packaging that it came in because there was so much of whatever this liquid is, and after I would wear it, I would like nicely fold the mask up, put it back in there, try to like close it, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in the fridge. So this is one of those masks that you would definitely be able to do that with. It's from Fif? F-I-F? I don't know. I don't know what AC control is either, but y'all let me know, what is AC control? I can't really read the back either. What is sebum? Let me Google it. It says sebum control. What is sebum? Sebum, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's an oily, waxy substance that your body produces. So maybe these products get rid of that? I don't know how to get rid of sebum causes. Oh, can sebum cause hair loss? Okay, we're going down a rabbit hole here, y'all. Let's go over last month's stuff. Now, we got the Wonder collab. It was, I believe, Haruharu Wonder collab with Stylevana. This set I am obsessed with. Now, let me tell you the sad thing. It came with this little bottle of black rice oil. I love this. Then I had it in here, okay? I had it in here. I was using it, loved it. Came in, the bottle was empty. The desk had oil everywhere. Tita had opened it, poured it all out. Now all I have is like maybe enough for 2 more uses. So most likely I will end up buying this set myself because it also came with a black rice cleanser, and I'm almost done with the whole bottle. I literally use it every morning. It's turned into my go-to. So this one I haven't opened yet because I'm using another toner that they sent me, but I anticipate that I would genuinely like this because the rest of that whole set is literally amazing. It's amazing. And then the other set was the Beauty by Joseon or Joseon, I don't know how you say it, collab with Stylevana, and actually I actually really love this and the other one that they got me, so I'm pretty happy about this. And I've been using this toner that came in the set also, and genuinely, like, I really like that too. So the 2 sets, I would say, out of everything that I've gotten ever from Stylevana, because, you know, I have worked with them a few times, last month's 2 sets were easily my favorite things that I have ever gotten from them. And probably, you know, not many people send me stuff, but out of, you know, the things that I have gotten from companies, that skincare set was like up there. That's the top. That's literally the top. Anyway, I will link everything below, my contacts, the makeup, Stylevana, the things that I got, all of that, my code. Don't forget you can get a discount there, my Instagram, everything. I'll link it all below. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!